The quick inspection road rail vehicle is designed for routine and emergency checks of overhead rail equipment. The 6x4 road drive allows for easy off-road driving and smooth access through the city to the tracks. Deployment of the guiding type rail gear takes only a few minutes. The rail wheels bear a portion of the road axle load, while traction and braking are provided by the road wheels. The vehicle can travel on the track at a maximum speed of 25 km per hour. Reverse driving is assisted by a camera vision system and reverse lights. Thanks to its 4.5-ton weight, the vehicle remains stable within the full working envelope of the aerial platform while staying on the track without the need for stabilizers. In addition to the main control panel in the platform, there is an emergency recovery control panel at ground level along with the manual emergency pump. As an option, the vehicle can be equipped with a turntable that allows it to be lifted onto the track and have its driving direction changed within a few minutes. RRV Customized Vehicle Solutions.